This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: always replace the drum brake shoes in pairs on both the left and right sides of the vehicle. Never replace the drum brake shoes on just one side. The dust created by the brake system is harmful to your health. Do not inhale any of it, and never use compressed air to blow out the brake dust. Use brake system cleaner only. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise the rear of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Release the parking brake and remove the brake drums. If the brake drum is difficult to remove the access plug from the brake drum, insert a small screwdriver through the hole, lift the adjuster lever off the adjusting wheel and turn the wheel with another screwdriver to back off the brake shoes. The drum should now come off. All 4 rear brake shoes must be replaced at the same time, but to avoid mixing up parts, work on only one brake assembly at a time. Before disassembling anything, wash off the brake assembly with brake system cleaner. Unhook the adjuster spring from the adjuster lever. Remove the hold down spring and pin from the leading shoe. Unhook the lower return spring from the leading shoe. Remove the adjuster lever. Then unhook the upper return spring from the trailing shoe. Remove the leading shoe and adjuster. Remove the hold down spring from the trailing shoe. Then remove the retaining clip and detach the parking brake lever from the shoe. Clean the backing plate. Then apply a thin film of high temperature brake grease to the brake shoe contact areas. Caution: whenever the brake shoes are replaced, the return and hold down springs should also be replaced. Due to the continuous heating and cooling cycle the springs are subjected to, they lose tension over a period of time and may allow the shoes to drag on the drum and wear at a much faster rate than normal. Connect the parking brake lever to the new trailing shoe and secure it with a new retaining clip. Place the trailing shoe against the backing plate and install the hold down spring. Attach the lower return spring to the bottom of each shoe. Clean and lubricate the moving parts of the adjuster. Then insert the adjuster between the 2 shoes, making sure it properly engages the notches. Connect the upper return spring across both shoes. Secure the leading shoe with the hold down spring. Install the adjuster lever, making sure it's properly engaged with the pivot pin in the adjuster. Hook the long end of the adjuster spring to the adjuster lever and the short end into the hole on the leading shoe. Install the brake drum. To make a preliminary adjustment of the brake, turn the star wheel until the brakes just begin to drag on the drum as it is turned. Then back off the star wheel until no dragging can be heard when you rotate the drum. Now depress the brake pedal several times, then rotate the drum to ensure that the brakes are not dragging. If they are, back off the star wheel a little more. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Then lower the vehicle. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. Make a number of forward and reverse stops and operate the parking brake to adjust the brakes until satisfactory pedal action is obtained. Check the operation of the brakes carefully before placing the vehicle into normal service.